carry and me. I think you're carry and me, and I'm sick. And sit down. Sis. Your cosa. Good morning, my loves. Welcome back to a new vlog. I've already started the vlog. If you've watched until this far, I was preparing the kids for school. It is so cold today. It is so cold. It is raining. I just woke up. I want to go make myself something to eat. Then just relax, get warm. So I'm just going to barking. I am going to make the bed right now before I head out of this room. I know that once I leave this room, I'm not returning. So let's just tackle all that. Run for my money. Feeling lovely, feeling lovely. Living lovely. I wanna be with you. 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 Me just love me. If I didn't rap late on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind, then where would you still? Keep it on it, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it all on. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Gotta have lights out with it. Only for the night, I don't care. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm finna go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't rap late on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. Run for my money. There is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping lovely, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I
we ain't got no time to waste. Hop in your come on the way, and mine away. I don't want pressure you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Know you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I have to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. There is nobody,
Karena enak aku nu amat, karena yang amat info nerangnya, enak kayak Masih baca buku bakal enak. Enak nyata ya.
I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be. I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. Who's your man, baby? You never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good bang. This for the diamond, head for the rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know you win, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, making a selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Turn down the noise. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you pay what you doing, what you want. I can tell your friends, you don't want to come. You need to go slow, but we can go faster. Let me the passer. Slide city, slide city. You know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I'll be next. Slide, me and a man tryna get in the bed. You wanna be so stupid, and we was gon' make it big. But I know, Friday without you, babe. But I know, Friday without you, babe. What would I do? Friday without you. Got it, drive on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up your phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never heard unless you go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that.
Hi, my loves. Before I go take a bath, I want to show you guys. I have two packages from Shein here, which I want to share with you guys. Guys, my ring light broke. This is the part where I plug it. That thing, it's really, and this is the part that I really don't know what I'm gonna do for me to shoot the Shein haul because it tends to be a bit dark, and because the weather today is not weathering. Oh my gosh. So in here we have sandals. This is what they look like. I'm getting ready for summer. They're so cute. They're strong. I can't wait to wear all my dresses actually. Then I got this as well. Very, very nice. It's time for my shoes, so I'm really excited for that. It's cold situation. I need to make sure that I cook before I'm gonna go fetch my daughter. I know that most of these things are dresses. I also got myself a shirt. This is the shirt that I got. Really nice. I love it so much. Can't rock it. What size did I take? Took size medium because I wanted it to be a bit biggie. I also got a bag. I also got a bag. A smaller bag. Oh. Ooh, it is so pretty. Pretty. This is what it looks like. It is gorgeous. I like it so much. It is nice. It is really pretty. It comes with an extra belt, or I don't know. Yeah, it comes with an extra belt. That's nice. I think it's a belt. Yeah, I like the belt. Yeah. I'm just gonna return them. I'll shoot tomorrow. Maybe the weather will be, I don't know. Oh, oops, this is the dress. I hope it's not short short. I really hope it's not short short so that I can rock it. Oh, I love the color. I've never owned anything like this. So, oh, this is a dress as well, I believe. Oh, okay, that's the dress as well. It really looks nice. I'm sorry I can't do a try on haul for you guys. If you want to see all these items, please check out my Instagram or my TikTok page. You will see them being uploaded. I also got this denim set. It is so nice. This is cropped, but not too cropped. Ooh. And you put it in the shorts. These are shorts. Ooh, can't wait to rock this. I got it in a size medium. So yeah. I just want to quickly show you guys how the weather is looking outside before I close off the vlog, because this was a spend the day with you vlog. I'm afraid it's already too long and we need to cut the cameras. I'm not gonna go quick with you guys because like I'm a fast cooking. I wanna cook very quickly. But I wanna cook very quickly because what time is it right now? It is currently 2:30, and by 3:30 or so I should be done cooking. Ne? But before I cook, I need to go take a bath. Let me show you what the weather looks like outside. It's crazy. Do you see? What are we dealing with today? It is so cold. It is absolutely so cold. It is raining, Lord. It is cold. So we need to make sure we're warm. It is very cold. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much for supporting me. Lerato la lona ke a le bona. And please don't give up. Ne? Please don't give up. Please continue supporting me. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time seeing my videos, thank you so much for watching until this far. Please don't leave without subscribing, without becoming part of this family. And if you are a part of this family, I appreciate you, my life. See you in the next one. Bye.